Imagine you're building a house. You need bricks for the walls, glass for the windows, and metal for the pipes. But why? Why not make the whole house out of glass? Or use rubber for the walls? The answer is simple. Different materials have different properties, and those properties make them useful for different things. Solids, liquids, and gases all have unique characteristics that make them useful in the world around us. Solids are strong and hold their shape, which is why buildings, cars, and tools are made from materials like metal, wood, and concrete. Liquids can flow and take the shape of their container, which is why water, oil, and juice are stored in bottles, and why fuel can move through a car's engine. Gases spread out to fill any space, which is why we fill balloons with helium, tires with air, and scuba tanks with oxygen. Think about a frying pan. It's made of solid metal because metal is a great conductor. It absorbs and spreads heat quickly, so your food cooks evenly. But the handle is usually made of plastic or rubber. Why? Because plastic and rubber don't conduct heat well, so they protect your hands from getting burned. That's why materials that resist heat are used for oven mitts, while materials that absorb heat are used for cooking. Now, imagine a raincoat. Would you want it made of cotton? No way. Cotton soaks up water and would leave you drenched. That's why raincoats are made from waterproof solids, like plastic or treated fabric. Water resistance is also why boats and umbrellas are designed with special coatings to keep liquids out. Some solids, like sponges, soak up liquids, while others, like glass, keep them contained. Some solids are chosen because they're strong. Skyscrapers and bridges are made from steel and concrete because they can support a lot of weight without breaking. But not everything needs to be tough. Rubber bands, for example, are useful because they can stretch and return to their original shape. Imagine if rubber bands were made of hard metal, they wouldn't be very useful. Gases are just as important as solids and liquids. The air in a basketball makes it bounce. The gas helium in a balloon makes it float. The oxygen gas in a scuba tank helps divers breathe underwater. Without gases, things like car tires, airplane cabins, and even soda wouldn't work the same way. Carbon dioxide gas gives soda its bubbles, and air helps keep bicycle tires firm so they can roll smoothly. Every solid, liquid, and gas in the world has unique properties that make it useful. Some solids are strong, some are flexible, and some block heat or water. Some liquids flow easily, while others are thick like honey. Some gases help us breathe, while others, like helium, make balloons float. That's why everything around you, your clothes, your furniture, even the water in your drink, is made from materials chosen for their special properties. Next time you pick up an object, think about whether it's a solid, liquid, or gas, and why that material was chosen. Chances are its properties make it perfect for the job.